Okay, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to download some code onto the actual Microbit. So you'll see that I have the Microbit here and it's hooked up to this cord. This cord is going in, it's plugged into the computer. Okay, it's like a small little USB. So that plugs into the USB port on your computer, which I'm plugging mine in now. You'll know it's plugged in because the little light will turn on the back of the Microbit, letting you know that there's power to it. And then on your screen, and let me shore this up a little bit so that you can actually see it. Okay, so on your screen, when you hit download down here, it's going to download your file to right here. Okay, and it says to move the hex file to the Microbit drive to transfer the code to your Microbit. So once it's done downloading, it'll be here. You're going to have to open up your computer. This is what it looks like on mine. I know my computer's a Mac and yours is a PC, and so that's like slightly awkward, but either way, there's still the place where you can like find a flash drive or any of that stuff. And there's a place where it says Microbit right here. So you just are going to drag your code over and put it onto the Microbit, and then it's going to start downloading. You'll know it's downloading because it's like the light really starts blinking. Okay, once it's done downloading, it'll stop blinking and be more of a solid line. So now it's done. It's solid. And since this code was reading the light level in the room, the light level is high enough, or now low enough that it's doing that. Okay, so I want you to just play with this, cover it up, change the light level on the readings, and see if you can get the way the output, the LED outputs are interacting. Let me know if you have any questions.